Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap West Liberty local and long-distance movers near me. We offer plenty of options when you need a long-distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you're ready to relocate, we have the right long-distance moving services for you. Our team will make sure you get a stress-free move. Let us show you how your relocation can be easier. Hiring local movers can make a huge difference. A good Kentucky moving company will make sure you don't have to do any heavy lifting. You can save time and energy on your next local move with the help of professionals. 3 Movers offers the right team for your local move. We know how to streamline the entire process so you can arrive sooner and with more energy. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our West Liberty moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.